A ver, tío, nunca... tengo un problema con este juego. Es un juegazo, pero no doy avanzado. No sé, me atasco y ya me rayo. Como que no quiero seguir. Sin embargo, en otros sí, no sé. Es un poco más sentimental. Y mira que me encanta el juego. Batman para mí es el mejor, antes que todos. Pero... 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 Más este iba al del Joker, creo. O sea, guay. Está muerto ya. Ah, está muerto. Pues ¿de quién iba entonces? De Bane. Momento. Un momento, no me matéis. Vale. Pero del Joker o no. O me estoy equivocando. Que ya no me acuerdo. Que este lo jugué según salió en Play 4. De las ganas que tenía y gasté, bueno, malgasté el dinero que ni lo acabé. Hola, señor José. Ah, está vivo. Era del Joker, sí. Ah, pues no. Lola.
This is how it happened. This is how the Batman died.
¿Cómo? Batman.
Nine months ago, Joker was cremated. I pressed the button and burnt the evil bastard myself. And
Aquí
then
que habla el
we
policía,
waited.
creo, el inspector.
Gotham braced itself for the inevitable power struggle. But it didn't come. Crime actually fell. Deep down, I knew war was coming. I was just waiting for someone to pull the trigger.
Tiene pinta de ser el inspector. Inspector. Inspector Police. Señora. ¿A dónde va usted con ese andar tan sexy? Sexy and I'm...
Thanks.
No problem. Oh, thanks, honey. So, what'll it be? Your usual?
Sure.
Okay, chicken salad with no dressing.
No, you know what? Make it waffles. With a side of bacon. Don't tell my wife.
Whatever you say, officer. Oh, and if you want some more coffee, just shout.
Este tío es un poco raro, ¿no?
Next service, waffles with bacon on the side.
Batman was supposed to be tough.
Hey, I'm sorry to interrupt your dinner, Officer, Owens. But there's a guy smoking over there in the corner booth.
Wait here. I'll have a word.
Buf, se está fumando. Ya sé quién es. Ya sé quién es. No está muerto tú. Va.
Excuse me, sir. There's no smoking in here.
Oh, pues no sé quién es. ¿Qué es el espantapájaros? Sí, porque con espantapájaros alucinabas, creo, ¿no? Creo que sí. What the fuck. ¡Ah, coño! Creo que no... ¡Aparta, hostia! ¡Apártate! ¡Ay, ay, ay! Madre mía.
This demonstration used just 5 ounces of my latest toxin. Tomorrow, this will seem like child's play. Gotham, this is your only warning.
Segundo fuera de la ciudad.
Yesterday there were 6.3 million people in Gotham City. Today, not so many. The only people left on the streets are the sort that enjoy the chaos.
Pingüino.
Finest.
Scum. Criminals. And worse. Not enough good people left to stop them.
Tío, pues en verdad, ojalá una ciudad así, ¿eh? Que todos los maleantes se vayan para allí y a chuparla. Y el que no, que viva normal. Es que al final, tío...
It took just 24 hours for us to lose control of the city.
Quitar todo lo importante, bombas y esas cosas. Que no lo líen y listo, tío. Batman. Ahora. Planea. Vale.
All right, guys, it's party time. There won't be a Gotham left for Scarecrow to gas when we're finished. I wish Joker's Funland was still open. No lines for the Ferris wheel.
¿Dónde tengo que ir? Hasta ahí arriba. Hola.
I'm just glad you made it out okay.
Gordo.
Sorry, I've got to go. Stay safe, Barbara. You still know how to make an entrance.
How's the evacuation going?
Last bus crossed the city limits an hour ago. I'm just glad my little girl got out when she did. Now the real work begins.
Any lead on Scarecrow?
We were tracking an unknown military vehicle speeding through Chinatown. It's the only lead we've had all night, but they gave us the slip. With the evacuation, I just don't have the manpower left in the city.
If you find it, tell your men not to engage. I'll deal with it.
Do you really think Scarecrow's crazy enough to detonate a chemical weapon in Gotham?
I won't let that happen, Jim. In case you need to reach me, it's going to be a long night.
Unit, we've got a 1033 in Sector 2. Missing patrol car. Unit 247. Suspected officer down.
Hey, Batman.
Ya está ahí.
Every damn time.
Batman. Vale. En verdad no estaba tan lejos,
Oracle, I need the
Oráculo.
location of Unit 247.
Already working on it.
Esta chica no sé quién es.
How's my dad doing?
Es
He's
el hijo
holding
de...
up.
Somehow he always
Hija de
does.
Gordon.
Okay, I'm sending through the squad car's location. Be careful. It's not looking good out there.